Hello guys, I welcome you all to the first video of my new YouTube channel, the iTrends. My name is Shan and I am a full-time trader who has been trading in equities and futures and options market for the past 5 years. In this video, we are going to have a quick review and recap of Nifty and Bank Nifty and their performances in the forthcoming days. So I kindly request you to watch the entire video until the very end so that you don't miss any important information or tip that's being mentioned in this video. And let's not waste more time talking over here. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Hello guys. So now we are looking at the Nifty 4-hour time frame. So before seeing how Nifty is going to perform in the upcoming days, let's just have a quick recap of how Nifty has performed in 2023. Okay. Yeah. So here we are. Yes. So in 2023, Nifty was moving inside this channel, and this channel started almost on 1st of December 22 and it continued all the way till 3rd of April 23. So this channel was intact for almost around 4 months. Okay. And after 4 months, once this channel was broken around 17,500, Nifty just shot up till 17,800. And from 17,800, there was some minor profit booking and Nifty just fell all the way to 17,500 again. And it took a retracement over there. Okay. And after the retracement, Nifty just shot up from 17,500 to, if you just look at from 17,500, it was a non-stop rally of up to 2,500 points till 19,991, which is almost the all-time high of Nifty. Okay, so it was a really huge move for an index, and an index moving like almost around 2,500 points in a really short span of time is considered to be like really bullish, because in order to push the index so high, huge buying must happen. If huge buying is happening, then it means the markets are extremely bullish. Okay, so now let's see what is the possibility of Nifty moving higher or lower, and see how it is going to perform in the upcoming days. So if you look at Nifty now, Nifty is actually moving in a trend line. Can you just see it? So this trend line started almost during the mid of May, and Nifty went up, it came down, it went up a bit, then it started to consolidate, and then it came down, took support at the same trend line, and after that, just look at the move. It took support around the trend line and reversed almost around 18,700, and from 18,700 it was skyrocketing until all-time high of 19,991. So let's just keep it simple. Let's keep it as 20,000. Okay. So what do we do now? And after hitting the all-time high, Nifty just came down and it is just falling down to just come take support at this same trend line again. So if we want to take up a trade at this place, we can take up a trade once this trend line is broken and once Nifty closes below 19,300 to 19,260. If Nifty is able to break below this trend line and give a beautiful close, then we can consider shorting the market. Okay, then the target for Nifty would be around, if the breakdown happens, then the target for Nifty would be around 18,870, 18,880, which is more precise. So if you would ask me, I would consider 19,000 to 18,800 as a really good support. Why? Because 19,000 is actually the psychological support and 18,880 is going to be a technical support. So once we combine these both, we would really get an idea or a zone where the possibility of reversal is going to be much higher. So if you look at here, from 19,000 to 18,880, the possibility of reversal is very huge at this zone. Okay, so it would be wise to enter after this breakdown and book profits at these zones. And at the same time, if the trend has to switch to buy, what has to happen? So if the trend has switched to buy, then Nifty must come down and take support at this trend line, and it has to break the upper trend line and give a close above this previous high. If Nifty is able to break above this trend line and keep a close above this previous high, then we can consider Nifty to be continuing its bullish mode, and then we can consider it as an option to go for a buy, or to go for a buy. So if this is taken out, then we can expect the next target for Nifty and the next resistance of Nifty to be around 19,969 and the all-time high, which is 19,991. And if these both are taken out, then we can expect the next target of Nifty of 20,150. Okay, so if Nifty breaks down this trend line, you can consider shorting, putting a target of up to 19,000 to 18,880. Likewise, if Nifty breaks above this upper trend line, and if it is able to close above the previous high, then we can consider going long with the targets of 19,970, 20,000 and 20,150. Okay, so this would be a really good opportunity to make use of if you're trading in options, because once the trend lines are broken, the momentum and impulse is going to be quite huge, which would be beneficial for option buyers. Okay, so rather than trading in futures, if you would ask me, I would say trading in options for now is a really good idea. Okay, so that's it for Nifty. Now let's switch to Bank Nifty and see what Bank Nifty has got for us. And now we are looking at the Bank Nifty 4-hour time frame. So if you look at Bank Nifty was underperforming for a few days, and if you just look at this, Bank Nifty was moving in a sideways market. The sideways started around 12th of May. It consolidated and it was moving in a range bound market for almost around 1.5 months. And after it broke out this sideways zone, just look at the momentum. From 44,700, it shot up almost 1,000 points to 45,700. And it made a lifetime high over here. And after that, it started to fall because there was some minor profit booking at this zone. And after the profit booking was completed, it took support at the same level and it started to move up, and it made an all-time high once again. And after the second all-time high, it started to fall, and the bulls were trying it to just take it a bit forward, but they failed, and the bears took in control and it came down. It took support in the same exact level where it took support on 31st, 14th of July, and the third time it took support on 3rd of August. And after that, it tried to reverse, but this time it failed and it closed below the support, and it has re-entered into this sideways zone again. So if you just look at this chart, Bank Nifty seems to be bearish for now. Okay, and in addition to that, in addition to re-entering the sideways support, Bank Nifty has even broken the trend line and it has closed below this on Friday afternoon while the market was closing. So Bank Nifty was moving in a trend line from 8th of May. it went up. While going up in a trend line, it was consolidating. So can you see two patterns colliding over here? So this is how markets work. It doesn't work on a single pattern. So it took support and it broke the sideways, it went up, it came down, and then it made a lifetime high. So it was moving, and finally on Friday it just broke. Let me just mark it for you. So it just broke the trend line, as well as it has re-entered into the sideways zone. So if the momentum continues in Bank Nifty should reach 43,378. So that is going to be the target for Bank Nifty. And even if 43,300 zone is broken, then we can expect Bank Nifty to fall till the next psychological support, which is almost around at 43,000. Okay, so Nifty has not given a clear indication for a sell, but Bank Nifty has given us an indication. So it would be good to take all the risk measures into consideration and consult your financial advisor before entering into the trade. And this time, if it falls, the momentum will be huge, because the trend, as you can see, even over here, the trend line has broken. Okay, so this is the setup for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the upcoming days. So I suggest you to plan your trades accordingly. So I guess this video was useful, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I make a new video. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.